Watch this video to learn about the 12 health benefits of drinking rosemary tea every day. Are you a fan of rosemary? If yes, then you're in for a treat. Today, we'll be exploring the exciting world of rosemary tea, a healthy and delicious drink that you can easily make at home. Whether you're looking for a refreshing beverage, a natural remedy for certain ailments, or just curious about the benefits of this herb, this video is for you. Get ready to discover a whole new side of this versatile herb.
Rosemary, or Rosmarinus officinalis, is a herb commonly used in savory cooking. Before we dive into the benefits, let's discuss why rosemary is more than just a culinary herb. Do you know that rosemary has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its medicinal properties?
Rosemary is an herb with several chemical compounds that provide health benefits. These include rosmarinic acid, carnosic acid, essential oils, flavonoids, terpenes, and triterpenes. These compounds give rosemary its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties and contribute to its fantastic health benefits. Rosemary tea is an infusion made from the leaves of the rosemary herbal plant. You won't believe how drinking rosemary tea daily can transform your health. Rosemary tea is packed with health benefits waiting for you to discover. Number 1 on our list of benefits, immune boosting power. Rosemary is packed with antioxidants that help strengthen your immune system and fight off nasty bugs. Are you tired of constantly battling those pesky bugs? Well, what if I told you that a daily cup of rosemary tea could be your secret weapon? Drinking rosemary tea every day can boost your immune system due to its antimicrobial properties, which help strengthen your body's defenses against infections. Studies suggest that rosemary has immune-boosting properties. This herbal drink could strengthen your body's defenses and keep you healthy all year round. 2. Supports digestive health. Good digestion is the cornerstone of overall well-being. Sipping on a warm cup of rosemary tea after a meal can aid digestion and soothe an upset stomach. It's like a gentle hug for your belly. Studies found that consuming rosemary tea daily can promote a healthy gut, which its natural compounds stimulate digestion, soothe gastrointestinal discomfort, and even help alleviate bloating and gas. Drinking rosemary tea helps digestion because it encourages the release of digestive juices and relieves stomach cramps. 3. Improved brain function is another benefit of drinking rosemary leaf tea every day. Its natural compounds can help you to improve your brain function. Researchers found out that the compounds found in rosemary leaves can boost mood, memory, and cognitive performance. Rosemary tea may help protect the brain from age-related decline and conditions like Alzheimer's by preventing brain cell death and supporting recovery from brain injuries like strokes. Sip on rosemary tea to give your brain a daily dose of cognitive fuel. Packed with antioxidants like rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, this herbal concoction helps protect your brain cells from oxidative stress, keeping your mind sharp and your memory keen. 4. Drinking rosemary herbal tea on a daily basis has anti-inflammatory benefits for your body, which is another compelling reason to consume it every day. Did you know that rosemary is more than just a fragrant herb? It's packed with natural compounds called terpenes, which give it its distinct aroma and flavor. Some of these terpenes, like camphor, have even been studied for their potential pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory effects. Rosemary has a unique taste because it contains rosmarinic acid, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory polyphenol. Drinking rosemary tea can increase your intake of rosmarinic acid, carnosic acid, and caffeic acid, which have been shown to help reduce inflammation in the body. These compounds work by fighting oxidative stress, which can cause pain. If you have autoimmune diseases like arthritis, you may find relief by drinking tea made from rosemary plant leaves. Rosemary has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and alleviate pain. 5. Stress relief and mood enhancement. Feeling stressed? Don't worry, we've got just the thing. Rosemary tea is known for its calming properties, helping you reduce stress and promote relaxation. It's like a mini vacation in a mug. If you're feeling stressed and down in the dumps, let rosemary tea brighten your day. With mood-boosting compounds like cineol and terpineol, it can melt away stress and lift your spirits. 6. Supports liver function. Drinking rosemary herbal tea every day can help support your liver health. This is one of the lesser-known health benefits of rosemary tea. Experience the rejuvenating power of its detoxifying properties, as they cleanse your liver and promote metabolic efficiency. With rosemary tea, you can unlock the full potential of your liver and feel revitalized from the inside out. 7. Now, let's talk about matters of the heart, literally. Maintaining a healthy heart is crucial for a long and vibrant life. If you are interested in improving your heart health, rosemary tea may help. Studies suggest that rosemary may help improve heart health by reducing inflammation and lowering blood pressure. So, pour yourself a cup of rosemary tea and give your ticker some love. Studies show that rosemary tea contains rosmarinic acid and flavonoids that act as antioxidants to eliminate harmful free radicals in the body. These free radicals can damage blood vessels and lead to cardiovascular diseases like atherosclerosis. By reducing oxidative stress, rosemary tea helps to maintain healthy blood vessels and lower the risk of heart disease. 8. Metabolic support. Rosemary is high in manganese, an essential nutrient for metabolic health. Therefore, metabolic support is another fantastic reason why you should drink rosemary herbal tea every day. 9. Drinking rosemary tea daily has the potential to regulate blood sugar levels, which is another benefit of rosemary tea. Diabetes becoming a global concern, it's essential to explore natural herbal remedies like rosemary. If you have diabetes, rosemary contains compounds that can help regulate blood sugar. Potential of rosemary tea to regulate blood sugar levels is particularly beneficial for those managing diabetes or prediabetes. Studies show that the herb's active components enhance insulin sensitivity, which can help stabilize blood glucose levels after meals. 10. Drinking rosemary tea every day may be good for your respiratory health. Breathing easily is a fundamental aspect of good health. So let the aromatic compounds of rosemary tea benefit your respiratory health by easing congestion and supporting your overall lung function. To eliminate congestion in your chest and nose, you can inhale steam from boiled rosemary plant leaves and stem bits. This method is known to improve breathing, and inhaling the vapor from the tea may just make you breathe better. Additionally, drinking rosemary tea has benefits for those suffering from cold and flu symptoms. Its anti-inflammatory action helps soothe the throat, while its aroma is a natural decongestant, easing breathing and reducing coughs for long-lasting relief. 11. Skin health. Rosemary tea's benefits for your skin will amaze you. Who knew that your daily cup of tea could also be your beauty secret? Yep, rosemary tea is packed with antioxidants that help promote healthy skin. Rosemary tea contains strong antimicrobial properties, making it beneficial for skin health. Due to the leaf's natural antiseptic qualities, drinking this home remedy can help clear skin conditions like acne and promote a healthier, more radiant complexion. 12. Hair growth. Rosemary tea is good for your hair. In addition to all the above benefits, rosemary tea can also be used to wash your hair. Rich in nutrients that promote hair and scalp health, rosemary tea can stimulate blood circulation to the scalp. This increased blood flow can promote hair growth and reduce hair loss, making it a natural remedy for those seeking healthier hair. Incorporating rosemary tea into your daily routine can be effortless and enjoyable. Start by replacing your morning coffee with a cup of rosemary tea, or enjoy it mid-afternoon for a stress-relieving break. Studies indicate that rosemary tea is generally considered safe to drink every day, but caution is advised for certain groups. Individuals with liver disease should avoid rosemary tea, as it can trigger the release of bilirubin and worsen the condition. What is the recommended daily intake of rosemary tea? The recommended daily intake of rosemary tea is 1 to 3 cups per day, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach. To prepare rosemary tea, you can use either fresh or dried rosemary. Start by boiling a cup of water and adding 2 to 3 sprigs of fresh rosemary or 1 to 2 tablespoons of dried rosemary to it. Allow the rosemary to steep in the water for 5 to 10 minutes to extract the full flavor and health benefits. Once you are done steeping, strain the tea through a sieve to remove the rosemary leaves. You can then drink the tea as it is, or add optional ingredients like lemon, honey, or mint to enhance the taste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fun and informative content.